Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District, home of the Roadrunners. Standing outside the school grounds here by one of their plaques when they were dedicated back in 2005. It's 2023 now, and to kick it off the 2023-2024 school year for the AM/PM group, the after school program, I did an assembly for grades K through 5. And the focus today was all about seeing someone for their heart first and really truly, understanding what it means to kind of, look past any judgments that we have that might separate us and look for opportunities and ways that we can become more unified, right? And a lot of the students, there were a lot of pin drop moments. They really did take to heart what I was speaking about today. I've been here a number of times in the past. A lot of them remembered when I did come last school year for a couple of visits. I have 2 more scheduled for this school year too, just to keep building upon, what we've already discussed and, just really talk about some very important topics and life lessons, right? And so what's unique about my programming is that, the fact that I can come back time after time and keep creating that unique content that the students really respond to, right? Whether it's the inspirational videos, the positive music, some of the heartfelt, powerful stories. We're also having some picture slides and some visual aids to just kind of hammer home all these different pieces to this really important puzzle that I'm always trying to continue to put together. And it starts with, me sharing my heart, touching a piece of theirs, and then them going and sharing that out into this world, right? And so that's what I always say, at the end of my talks, if something touched your heart, raise your hand. Almost every hand goes up. And I said, that means you've been given a gift. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. And we're talking about looking at the heart first today. That means our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, right? Peace sign. One finger is ourself. The other is someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat ourselves and others. But it's also because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one action, one message, one DM, one comment, whether it's virtual or in person, we can either uplift someone high as the clouds, stays in their heart in a great way for the rest of their life, or we can destroy that it stays in their heart in a very negative way forever. So we have that choice, right? Where hurt people, but healed people heal people. And it's up to us if we're going to have the courage to be able to show that kindness, which I think takes more strength than it does to, say something mean. And so if we can kind of rise above that hate, know that we rise by lifting others, that's what this is all about. So again, just a great, unique opportunity for me to come back again and, see some new faces, some old faces, and understand that these young people's minds are getting molded. Even the staff that I get to talk with, something always resonates with them too. And to know that our leaders are really starting to, pick up that torch for change, that they want to be the change they want to see for this world, and that these young people know that they can make a difference even at a young age. That's huge. So again, thanks for touching my heart. I'll see you all in the near future. Until then, as always, make sure that subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.